Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your AWS EC2 instances with AWS Backup, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your AWS EC2 instances using AWS Backup, start by logging into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Backup service from the AWS Services menu. Click on the Backup Plans option on the left sidebar. Select Create Backup Plan to initiate the backup plan configuration. You can either create a new backup plan from scratch or choose an existing plan as a template. Enter a name for your backup plan that clearly indicates its purpose. Define the backup rule by clicking on Add Backup Rule. Specify the frequency for the backups, such as daily or weekly. Set the backup window, which dictates when the backup will take place each day. Select the lifecycle settings to determine how long you want to retain the backups. Scroll down to choose the resources you want to back up. Click on Assign Resources to specify your EC2 instances. You can tag your resources or manually input the resource IDs of the instances. Once resources are selected, review your backup plan details for accuracy. Click on the Create Backup Plan button to finalize the plan setup. After creating your backup plan, navigate to the Backup Jobs section in the sidebar. Here, you'll see the active backup jobs that will execute based on your defined schedule. If you want to run a manual backup, select the Backup Now option. Select the backup vault where you want to store the backups. Confirm the settings and click Backup Now to start the manual backup process. Monitor the progress of your backup jobs under the Backup Jobs section. If you need to restore an instance, go to the Protected Resources section. Locate the EC2 instance you wish to restore and select it. Click on the Restore option to begin the restoration process. Choose the restore parameters, including instance type and network settings. Finally, review your settings and confirm the restore operation. This process ensures that your EC2 instances are regularly backed up and can be restored when needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.